Welcome to 66 Able Street. This delightful home sits on a corner lot in Bluffton Park and begins with a welcoming front porch ideal for enjoying the breezes off the May River just a couple of blocks away. Let's head inside for a tour. Here we are in the foyer. It has wood floors and it's open to the great room, which is spacious and inviting. The dining room with wood floors is open to a fantastic kitchen. This floor plan was designed to take advantage of the corner location and has a convenient side hall that leads to a second entrance. Along this hall are the powder room and laundry room. The kitchen has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and lots of light from these French doors. Here is the owner's suite. It has a walk-in closet and a luxurious bath. The owner's bath has a vaulted ceiling, shower, tile floors, vanity, and a luxurious jetted tub. Also on the second floor are 2 additional bedrooms, each with walk-in closet and a second bath. This backyard is sure to delight. The covered back porch overlooks a fenced backyard. A paver patio is great for parking your golf cart. There's also a storage shed for lawn tools, bikes, and more. This 30 by 30 2-car garage is air conditioned, heated, spray foamed, and has a pull-down stairway to access storage above. There's also an extra wide parking pad which can accommodate 3 vehicles. The Bluffton Park community amenities include a pool and sidewalks. Located adjacent to the community is Oscar Fraser Park, which has a fantastic playground, pavilion, ball fields, and more. It's also host to various community events throughout the year. Thanks for joining me on this tour. If you'd like more information, you can visit my website, kateyukini.com, or call or text me at 843-683-5283.